people, I'm going to show you we are on the major north-south, east-west A49, A44. If you're going from the Midlands to the west coast, Aberystwyth, we're on the major A44 A49 crossroads. There is nowhere to stop here, but I'll show you where you can overnight free of charge, minutes from the town centre. Just
people, as you can see, I'm just passing Brightwells on the Leominster bypass, A49. If you're looking for somewhere to park over for a night, if you're in a camper, every car park in Leominster is pay and display, even through the night. They just don't want the trade, I don't think. But if you are this way, B&Q car park. They are right on the outskirts of the town, but there's little lanes that you can take. I'm just about to pull in there. I'll show you the video. Just about to pull in there. B&Q. There's no signs whatsoever saying no overnight parking. There isn't any signs even saying it's a private car park. And there's quite a few do it. If you're coming in a big motorhome, you've got to sort of wait for the right time to arrive, because it does get quite crowded in here. Alright, now I've come all the way down this end, and I'm too bloody long to fit in these parking spaces down here. Is there space there? Nope. I'm going to go around the block again. Oh, I can get in there. Yeah. The only thing that you do get every now and then, you do get some of the boy racers sort of gathering here, but not very often. There are CCTV cameras outside B&Q, but they don't do anything about it whatsoever. They don't tell you off. And I'll go for a walk now, and I'll show you around and the shortcuts. Catch you in a momentum whilst I get the dogs on the lead. Come on, you. Have a pee. Right, this way. Come on. I don't know whether you can see the van just over there. Park against this back fence is always the best. Come on, you two. Oi, come on, this way. Move. Spot. It's when she's out walking that her, because she's got heart trouble, and it makes her cough. She's got liquid on her lungs. there's the church. And there's our river. The River Lug. That path goes down to Brightwells. Come on, you two. Leave. Come on. Ooh, a lot of wind. And as daft it sounds, my ex-wife lives there, right on the edge of the river. Come on, move. Ow. Prickly edge. All coming out in the green. Come on. Oh, he's struggling, he is. As your collar gone tight, let's turn it round to there. Right. Because he's hanging back so far. And as you can see, he's dragging his feet. Keeps his nails short. Yeah, my ex-wife lives there. This side.
Thanks very
Cheers.
much. Thank you.
This way, you two. Oh. So she decides to curl one off. Here, sog her over. Right. All right. Come on, this way. You two. I have to be awkward. Beautiful little black and whites. Done. Right. I'll now show you. Right, there's the little lane that goes up to the church. Now, this is the car park that everybody... Come on! This is the car park that everybody uses. As you can see, there's one camper up there already. But he's got a parking permit. Everybody uses this car park. But it is pay and display all day and all night. So, it's a vast car park. But it fills up with lorries. That's the only trouble with it. It's a lorry park overnight. Come on, back this way. Spot. Struggling. And you turned your collar again, haven't you? See the church up there. Right, when you get to the top of here, if you turn right, it takes you right into town. Another 400 or 500 yards, you're in the town centre. I mean, we've only walked 400 or 500 yards. Come on, just a little bit further, boy. Come on, boy. I don't really want to pick him up yet. I haven't got his stroller with me either. Come on, good boy. Spot, stop pulling. It sure is dragging him along. And Daddy will stop filming. Come on, Spot. There you go. We're at the church. I've sailed off there. Right. Hi.
Hello. Well, is that a friend of yours then?
He's do you know what, he's 20, but he gets a little bit angry. Right, come on back then. Let's go back. Right, I'll put the camera away so I can carry him. It'll be a little bit quicker. Catch you in a minute. Alright? Says, no, I'm absolutely knackered now, Dad. Anyhow, are you? You're deaf as a bloody door. Yeah, you heard that. And she's nothing but a eating chicken machine. Yeah, so that's B&Q car park. And of course they don't shut until 8:30 at night, is it? I don't know. 8 o'clock, somewhere around that. So if you just want an overnighter, where I walked you up there to the church, when you get up to the church, go straight on until the road runs out, and bear right, and about another 300 yards there's a pub on the right that does food. A nice little tiny pub called the Great Vaults. I do drink there, but it's a real pleasant atmosphere in there. A little tiny pub. It's not expensive either. Oh, camper. So my advice, if you're coming in, try and park down the bottom, out of the way. If you're in a big motorhome, it's a little bit tight. But at night time, all these spaces are empty, so you'll be able to straddle 2 or 3 bays across there. Caravan. So up to you. Right, let me turn the camera around and stick you in the window. Oh, there you go. Right. Now you'll get shrunk down, and then if that one's on, yeah, it should be on. Yeah, I think it's on. I hate it when that engine revs when you put it in the gear. There are some beautiful old buildings around this place. There's a cricket pitch there to the left. They play like quite a lot in there. In the town centre there's a Witherspoons, and that is cheap in there. They also do food. They no longer do Sunday roasts, but no Witherspoon does Sunday roast anymore. There used to be a pub right on this corner here called Hot Pole, and town you turn left here, but I'm turning right because I live down that way. There you go, that's all I can help you with. There's not very many other places in Leominster. I mean, there is Morrison's, which is up the other end of town. There is a pub up there called the Barron's Cross. They've got a caravan park out the back, but I got a feeling they were either 17 or 20 pound a night. And captive audience, they're a mile out of town. It's a long walk. There is a bus, hopper bus, but that stops around about 8 o'clock at night. So, right, W and leave you. Bye bye.